everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and good. We are test driving Subaru Legacy, the 5th edition vehicle, which came in with a DPF issues, power loss, an unhappy customer. Obviously the work has been done. What can you say about your car? How was it driving and how is it driving today?
The car was driving really bad 2 days ago with all the dash lights on. Basically this car is like a new one. I feel so good. The power is back. The car drives absolutely smooth. No any black smoke from the back. It's absolutely, I'm very happy customer.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your positive feedback. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, turbo issues. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button. Thank you.